For you to bring your vision to life in this step-by-step guide, we will show you how to create a beautiful professional website using Canva. No coding skills required. Whether you are a small business owner, artist or blogger, this easy process will have your site up and running in no time. Let's dive in. So hey guys, and welcome back in this channel and this video where I will show you how you can make a website using canva.com. So first of all you have to do is open your browser and then into canva.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So what is Canva? Canva is a graphic design platform that allows users to create a variety of visual content, including websites. Using an intuitive drag and drop interface, it offers a wide range of templates, images, and design tools that simplify the web design process, making it accessible for users without coding or design experience. With Canva, you can easily customize layouts, add multimedia elements, and publish your website directly or export it for further use. So first of all you have to do is click over sign up, and then you will find this page, and this is it. So here we have search your content and Canva. So I will search about websites. I will select first of all Canva templates. Then this is it. I will click over one of them, and then I will click over customize this template. So to create a website on Canva, start by signing in to your Canva account and selecting the website option from the templates menu. Browse through the various pre-designed templates that suit your style and purpose and click on one to customize it. Use the drag and drop editor to add text, images, and elements, adjusting colors and layouts as needed. Once you are satisfied with your design, you have just to click the publish button to either share your website link directly or download it for hosting elsewhere. With Canva's user-friendly tools, you can create a professional-looking website in just a few simple steps. So you click over customize this template, and this is it how it looks. We have here various things, like if you wanna delete this one, you can just click over here and you delete it, and then you can add other things here, comments, or you can duplicate, and you can also here zoom. You have here also thumbnail view, grid view, we have here preview, and we have also as Canva. Here we have match write, for example, continue writing, shorten, rewrite, move more fun, more formal, sprinkle through fairy tales used. Then we have change voice, fix spelling, custom prompt. Then we have your interface, like we have font, text style like Arimo, Elastica here, interfaces. Then we have text styles here, hidden, subhidden, and we have also other things. You can add your brand fonts and blank case. Then we have other things here, like we have Lastisca here, text style. Then you have here, if you want to add it, you can also do this thing. And we have here text color, or you can choose the color that you want. Then we have also here, we have italic, alignment, list, letter spacing, as you can see. You can also add transparency, flip, edit, remover also, and we have here animate, transitor also. Well, animate, we have here ABC, and then we have flip here, flip horizontal, flip vertical, and also we have here fade, transparency, we have transition, for example color wipe, and then we have also color. Here we have edit timing, then we have the position, backwork, and other things. Then we have here paste style, and also here we have design, templates, layouts, style. Then we have elements, frame, graphics, photos, videos. We have text. You can add a text box here and magic write. You can add your print fonts also, and add a heading, add subheading, add a little bit of body text. Then we have recently used, for example this one, as you can see. And then we have here brand, where to add logos, add your brand colors also. Here we have fonts, brand voice, photos, graphics, icons also. Then you have your upload, cover yourself. You can upload an image or video if you want. Then we have draw also. For example, I will click over here and write Canva. I will choose this one for example. I'll write Canva. Then we have other things here. So this is how it works. You can just get started as soon as possible, and you choose the website that you want, and then you get started. So Canva empowers users to create stunning visual content easily and efficiently, making it an ideal choice for both beginners and experienced designers. Its user-friendly interface, extensive resources, and collaborative features streamline the design process, allowing anyone to bring their creative vision to life, whether for personal projects or professional needs. Canva remains a valuable tool in the digital landscape. So this is how it works with canva.com. You can just get started as soon as possible. So this is it for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys, and see you again in the next video. So you have just to dive into canva.com and you start creating your account. Then you start searching for your website, and then you modify it, then you click on publish it, and you share the website that you want, and that's it.